This video is brought to you in collaboration with Maxis E-Class SPM Clinic, #Hebat Dalam Exam. Hi everyone, I'm Lily. I'm currently studying A-Levels under full sponsorship. Today I'm gonna share some study pathways after SPM and tell you how you can get a scholarship to study for free. Let's get started. Once you finish your SPM, you need to take a pre-university program, which is a preparatory course prior to your degree studies. But where should you go? The first question you need to ask yourself is whether you want to study locally or overseas. If you are planning to do your degree in Malaysia, then you can choose to take matriculation, foundation, SPM, or diploma. I can't tell you which one is the best for you because this depends on how long you would like to spend in your pre-U program and also how certain you are about your future course. If you know exactly what you want to do during your degree, then you can take foundation or diploma because most of the programs offered are very specific to the course. For example, foundation in medicine, foundation in pharmacy, diploma in mechanical engineering, and diploma in accounting. If you still can't decide on a specific course, don't worry because you can do SPM or matriculation. Matriculation offers 3 different streams: science, technical, and accounting, while SPM offer art and science streams. What about the duration of studies? Matriculation and foundation will take 1 year, SPM 1.5 year, and diploma 2 to 3 years. So you make your own decision. If you are planning to go overseas, you can take these pre-U programs: A-Levels, International Baccalaureate IB, American Degree Program ADP, South Australian Certificate of Education SACE, Australian Matriculation AUSMET, Canadian Pre-University CPU. While there are so many pre-U programs that you can choose, A-Levels is the most popular among the students who aspire to study abroad. Studying overseas can cost you a lot and some of us might can't afford it. But don't worry, we can apply for scholarship. With a full scholarship, you can study in the UK, US, Canada, Japan, Korea, Germany, and many more for free. So you can travel while studying in your dream country. In addition, you will also get allowances throughout your studies, and some sponsors even give you job security, which means you will be hired as soon as you complete your studies. Now you know you need to get a scholarship to study overseas, but where to start and how? There are only 3 steps that you need to follow. First, you need to do research on scholarship. Go to the official websites of the sponsors and check the requirement, courses, countries, and programs offered. Scholarships are mostly open for application after the announcements of SPM result. So, you still have a lot of time to look for scholarships that may suit you. Second step, once the scholarships are open for application, just apply and provide them with the necessary informations or documents. During the application, they will mostly ask you to list down academic achievements as well as positions and level of participation in co-curricular activities. These are the other documents that might be required during the application. So, you can start doing this once you finish SPM so that you won't run out of time later. Just apply to as many scholarships as possible because the more you apply, the higher chances of getting a scholarship. Moving on to the third step. If you are shortlisted, you will be called for assessments or interviews. In order for you to be excellent in the interview, the most important thing is to improve your communication skill because this will show the interviewer how confident you are. Be alert with the current issues regarding the course and do check the websites of the sponsors as a preparation for the interview. You can also read blogs, watch YouTube videos, and join scholarship workshops for more tips on how to excel in scholarship interview. The last step, just wait for the results. And then, congratulations, you won a scholarship to study abroad. Spend 1 to 2 years in Malaysia with your family and then you can fly with your dream. To all the SPM students in front of me, you have few months left until SPM. And this is the last 200 meters of your long marathon. In these few months, keep focusing on yourself and don't stop believing in your dream. Don't let other people's opinions to limit yourself. You know yourself better. You know how hard you have worked. You know how far you have come. I know it can be really hard to stay motivated all the time. But imagine you are studying in your dream country with a full scholarship. Everyone is going to be proud of you. So give your best. Give all out for the SPM. And yeah, that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening. I wish you very, 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 very good luck. Bye bye.